Hey, welcome to the Shadow AI Hack Channel, Innovators. Just last month I stared at my phone not at social media but at my YouTube Studio analytics. The number was unreal, over $10,000. This wasn't from stocks or luck, it was from creating short, simple YouTube videos. I didn't have fancy gear or a big team. I used one AI-powered app on my computer. Most of my time was spent brainstorming ideas, then letting AI handle the heavy lifting. This wasn't about working harder, but smarter, using technology to automate the tedious parts. That month changed everything. It proved the creator economy is open to anyone with the right tools and strategy. You don't need a film degree or a big investment, just a willingness to learn. My strategy? YouTube Shorts powered by AI. Billions watch Shorts daily. The opportunity is massive if you can grab attention for even a few seconds. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It took effort, but AI amplified my results. I'll show you the plan that took me from stuck to successful and how you can start too. We've all seen YouTubers with millions of subscribers and flashy lifestyles. They make it look easy. You get excited, upload a video, and nothing. A few views, maybe a comment from your mom. The excitement fades, replaced by frustration. Why isn't anyone watching? Starting a traditional YouTube channel is tough. You're up against big teams and big budgets. You need to learn scripting, filming, editing, thumbnails, SEO, the list goes on. Most people quit here, thinking it's too competitive or complicated. I was there too. My first videos flopped. I felt overwhelmed and almost gave up. But what if the problem isn't you, but the approach? There's a shortcut, a new path that doesn't require you to be a one-person film studio. I found it, and it changed everything. My breakthrough didn't come from a course or mentor, but from desperation and late-night scrolling. I noticed YouTube Shorts exploding, simple, short videos gaining massive traction. But how could I make enough shorts without burning out? That's when I found Vidify AI, an AI video creation platform. The promise: turn a simple idea into a ready-to-publish video in minutes. Skeptical but desperate, I tried it. I typed in 5 surprising facts about ancient Rome. In 90 seconds, the AI generated a script, found footage, added captions, music, and a voiceover. I got a polished 45-second video, almost ready to post. I could tweak anything, but the grunt work was gone. What used to take hours now took minutes. Suddenly I could batch create a week's worth of shorts in one afternoon. This tool solved my consistency, quality, and burnout problems, and unlocked real growth. Here's my 4-step process to create viral shorts with AI. Step 1. Ideation. Use Google Trends or comments on popular videos to find what people want. Focus on broad topics like history, facts, or psychology tricks. Write down 20, 30 ideas. Step 2. Creation with AI. Open your tool, input your idea, and let AI generate the script, footage, captions, music, and voiceover. Review and tweak as needed. Each video takes 5-10 minutes. Step 3. Optimization. Craft a catchy title that sparks curiosity. Use hash shorts and 3-5 relevant hashtags to help the algorithm. Step 4. Consistency and analysis. Post at least one short daily. Check analytics to see what works, then double down. This feedback loop, create, optimize, post, analyze, repeat, took me to $10,000 a month. The key is using AI to remove the barriers and keep you consistent. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just follow the system. The opportunity is huge and the process is simple. Start with one idea, let AI do the heavy lifting, and keep improving. The more you post, the better you get, and the faster you grow. This is how you turn creativity into income, one short at a time. Ready to try it? You've seen the proof, the problem, and the blueprint. The old obstacles, expensive gear, complex editing, endless hours, are gone, thanks to AI. The opportunity is here, right now. Will you take action? Imagine what an extra $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000 a month could mean for you. All it takes is one idea and a few minutes with an AI tool. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. Your first video won't be your best, but it will be your most important. The difference between success and failure is starting before you feel ready. Find an AI tool, sign up for a free trial, and create your first short today. The creator economy is booming. The door is open. Press record on your future. Start now. Hope you enjoyed. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for more AI hacks.